Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to extract anything from any cell in Excel. Okay, here you will see I have just created different situation and I will extract in this I will extract only numbers. In this I will extract only unique ID, and in this I will extract only the country name. Okay, and in this I will extract only warehouse number. So how to extract anything in from any cell in Excel? So this video will show you how to do it. So here you will see, first I will show you how to extract only number. Okay, so to extract number you have to just use this formula, equals to, then reg extract. Okay, here you will see reg extract, just click on it. Then here you will see text option, just click on this. So the whole full text is this, then comma, then here you will see it will ask for pattern. Okay, for pattern you have to just enter quotation mark. Okay, then backdash. Okay, then here you will see you have to enter D plus. Okay, D means digit. Okay, and plus means if it is more than one, uh, you will see here it has 3 digit. Okay, three digit number. Okay, so if it is more than one, you have to enter D plus, then quotation mark again, bracket close. Now you will see that from this text it will extract the number. Okay, now you can copy it. So like this you can extract number, only number from this cell. Now I will show you how to extract unique ID. Okay, here you will see I only want this unique ID, means order number. Okay, so how to extract that? You have to use equals to text before. Okay, then it will ask for text. Now the text is this. Okay, from this text I want to extract, then comma, then it will ask for delimiter. Okay, so what is delimiter? Delimiter means if you have anything, as you will see I have differentiate this order ID and UK with dash. Okay, if you have differentiate with comma or with space, you can enter anything, but as I have differentiate uh, from with dash. Okay, so you have to just enter quotation mark. Okay, then dash, again quotation mark, then close. Okay, then click on enter. Now you will see I have extracted unique ID from this cell. Okay, just paste it. So like this you can just extract that unique ID. Okay, then here you will see I want to extract this UK, means country name. So how to extract that? Again just equals to text. Okay, after. Now here text after, then bracket open. Now here we'll see it will ask for source or text from where you want to extract. Then again you have to just enter quotation mark, then dash, again quotation mark, then bracket close, and you will see that I have extracted this from this cell. Okay, now here you will see this is another situation. Here I only want not order unique ID, not country name. I want this warehouse number. Okay, only this warehouse number. Okay, so how to, I want to extract only this warehouse number. So how to do that? You have to, again you have to use this text after. Okay, text after, then bracket. Then what you have to do? You have to just select the source. Okay, from where you want to extract, comma, now again quotation mark, now dash, quotation mark. Okay, then it will ask for instance number. Okay, so here you will see I have first this first dash, then second dash. Okay, so I want to split, or I want to extract from the second dash. So what you have to do, you have to enter 2, then bracket close, enter. So you will see I have extracted this warehouse from this cell. So like this you can do this. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.